Well, fall is here, the air is crisp, the leaves are turning, and today we're firing up the Gozney pizza oven for the ultimate autumn cook. We're making roasted butternut squash pizza. We'll roast some butternut squash in the Gozney oven, brown some sage sausage, and a drizzle of smoked maple syrup. It's smoky, sweet, savory, perfect for a backyard cookout on a cool fall evening. First up, the sausage. I have here some sage sausage. We'll cook it in a small cast iron pan right inside the Gozney oven, break it into rustic pieces, let it get those crispy edges. Next, we'll take out the sausage, leave that rendered fat in the bottom. We'll use that to cook the butternut squash. Now for the star of the show, the butternut squash. Peel it, cube it, toss it in some olive oil. We'll add some salt and pepper. You can roast it in your kitchen oven, 400 degrees, about 25 minutes, or do it right in the Gozney. While that's roasting away, let me show you how I made that smoky maple syrup. I'll add a shallow pan to the pellet grill, pour in some real maple syrup, set your pellet grill to its lowest, smokiest temperature, and let it smoke about an hour. Pour it back into its original container, label it smoked. It'll keep about 2 weeks in the fridge. Now this butternut squash has been roasting about 20 minutes, nice and soft, nice caramelization. Let's take it out. We'll put it in our food processor, or in my case, the NutriBullet. Add some butter, some cinnamon and nutmeg, and a splash of cream, and give it a mix. Now let's build this pizza. I have a 350 gram dough ball. Check out my dough recipe in the link below. We'll stretch this out to 14 inches. We'll start with some sliced, whole milk, low moisture mozzarella. And spoon on that creamy butternut squash puree with that pumpkin pie spice and spread it around. Next, we'll add our sage sausage. Some sliced red onion. And some fresh rosemary. Get it nice and round. And then it's going in a 650 degree oven. Let that bottom set about 30 to 40 seconds, then start turning. Quarter turn every 30 seconds. Until that crust is golden brown. Now just a little olive oil around the edge. This is looking good. Let's have a bite. The only thing left is that smoked maple syrup. Its smoky sweetness will pair perfectly with the sausage and squash. Oh yeah, that's fall in one bite. You've got the roasted squash sweetness, that savory sausage, and then that smoky maple syrup just finishes it perfectly. And check out that perfect cook on the bottom. If you have an outdoor pizza oven, you've got to try this one. It's simple, seasonal, and perfect for any fall weekend night. Well, that's how I make a fall butternut squash pizza. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And once again, thanks for watching.